Friends, I'm excited to talk to you about the 7th edition of India's leading BFSI companies, a publication by Dun & Bradstreet that profiles and narrates the crucial role that the BFSI sector plays in driving the economy of India. In fact, the installation of a new NDA government in May 2014 has led to renewed excitement about India, its economic prospects, and it's very obvious that the banking and financial services sector will have to play a very crucial role in driving the success of the government's initiatives and driving the prosperity of Indian people. We've already seen that the Jan Dhan Yojana, a scheme launched by the government to promote financial inclusion, has seen great success. There are greater challenges ahead, but many more opportunities ahead. Technology will have to play a great role if banking and financial services sector has to assume and fulfill the role that they are there for. We have already seen that technology has helped take banking and financial services to the masses through increased accessibility, through ATMs, through internet banking and through mobile banking. But when we sit down to ponder what is the next frontier for technology, what is the next role that technology could play in growing banking and financial services, it leaves us to think the role of digitization in the decade that is here before us leading up to 2024. In fact, that is the theme for our panel discussion for the event which is scheduled on 24th of Feb in Mumbai. So let me give you a brief of what we at Dun & Bradstreet are researching and thinking about digitization and its role vis-a-vis the BFSI sector. I already talked about accessibility, how technology has helped banking and financial services reach millions which would have otherwise not been possible due to the lack of physical infrastructure. So that's 1A. In fact, I'm going to talk about 4 A's. So the first A is really accessibility, which we have already seen a lot of, and we need to see a lot more if financial inclusion is to be a great success. But the 3 A's are equally important, and that's where we are talking about emerging technology, emerging trends, and how all of those lead to customer centricity. The second A that we want to talk about is really the role of banking and financial services as an aggregator. We are already seeing that banks are not merely providers of credit or takers of deposits. They have now become financial supermarkets where they have the ability, because of the advancement of technology, to bring in various products and services on a common platform where you can actually go and buy wealth products, you can go and buy insurance products, you can go and buy broking products, all on common platform. So aggregation is a key driving factor. The other role that banks will have to start to assume is that of being adapters, of being able to adapt and personalize the customer experience based on how well they know their customer. So just to give an example, if somebody as a customer of a bank is having a large purchase, then the bank is able to know that and offer a personal loan. If the bank knows that somebody is scheduled for international travel, they are then able to offer foreign exchange as a product and service. So knowing your customer and adapting and personalizing that experience is crucial to how customers will reward banks that are able to do that versus those that are not able to do that. The fourth and a very important role is that of an advisor. Banks and financial services companies will have to think in terms of not merely being transactors or offering products and services when customers need, but rather to be able to customize and advise customers on what is the best fit product for them. Banks and financial services companies have to be seen as enablers, using technology, using digitization to offer customer-centric solutions rather than as places where you come and ask for products that you really need. So it's a role shift through the 4 A's of accessibility, aggregation, adaption, and advisory. And that's the overall framework of digitization that we want to discuss, that we want to debate, and that we want to promote through the India's leading BFSI companies. So friends, I welcome all of you in the banking sector, in the insurance sector, you may be in the broking sector, you may be running a mutual fund business, or you may be a corporate or a common banking customer. If you have views on this, we welcome your views. Come talk to us, share your views with us on our website, and also be part of the event that is scheduled for 24th Feb. And better still, if you want to profile the advancements that your organization is making in customer experience through digitization, you are welcome to share your experience with us, and we will be happy to profile them in the publication so that the world at large comes to know. Thank you.